Stephen Hamby here with Dent Hogs Paintless Dent Repair. Tonight in the shop we're going to be fixing a dent on a gas tank off of a 1996 Harley Davidson Heritage Nostalgia. We're going to be doing this using Paintless Dent Repair, so there will be no fillers or Bondo or repainting of any kind done to achieve the results you're going to see here. This is a half tank sent to us from Savannah, Georgia. Has a baseball size shot on the right hand side of the tank. Customer had already removed the emblems prior to shipping us the gas tank and sent the emblems in the box so that we could reapply them after repairing the dent. So we have the gas tank mounted to our vise, and the only opening is the fuel opening on the top there. We're going to take our tools, go down through that fuel opening, hook back up to the back side of the metal, and begin shaping that back out using heat and a combination of specialized PDR tools designed specifically for motorcycles. You can see one of them here, and we're threading different extensions on to be able to reach that damage with special tips on each one, suited for soft pushes, sharp pushes, whatever the circumstance calls for at the time. So what you're seeing here is a time lapse of us shaping the metal back out from the inside, and during the repair there's little high spots that emerge and crown work that has to be done. So we're using blending hammers and knockdowns just to kind of even out the repair as we bring up the lows and we try to tap down the highs, and we're just smoothing it all out, getting it back to its pre-damaged condition. And before we wrap it up, we also do something called cross-checking, which is basically just gauging the repair, looking at it from multiple angles, front to back, side to side, even in different lightings, using the PDR light and the natural lighting, just to check and make sure that everything's been successfully removed and that there's no work left to be done until you get to this point where we're finished. And we're going to just show you the finished result, do a little slow pan over the area. You'll be able to see that the dent has been successfully removed and there's no waves or wiggles in the metal or any evidence that it had ever been damaged. So guys, I want to thank you again for checking this video out. If you'd like to get in touch with us, you can give us a call at 678-544-3004. Shoot us an email to denthogs@gmail.com, or you can find us at our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. All right guys, again, I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.